got these Brickheadz. It's a little kit from Lego. And in this kit, they give you enough pieces to customize 2 of your own to look like anybody. Here's the ones we made. So it's Luis and me, Paulina, with our skin and hair colors. And we thought, look at all these extra pieces, that we have. There's got to be enough in here to kind of Frankenstein together a third one, right? And you've probably got tons of other Lego pieces from other kits and other things at home too. So they're mostly just from the color of different skin color and hair colors. But we came up with this. It's reusing the same skin and hair color as that one, so we did have to get really creative on this one. But if you wanted to use a totally different color, like the orange or the black, then you would have had no issues at all. You would have had tons left over. So we just sort of looked at this like a puzzle, assuming that all the pieces are there. We just have to figure out how to put them together correctly. Okay, so there's 4 of those. One of these bigger guys. And we just kind of build around it. There, we got a little base. Then we have to do legs and feet. So it's just 1 of those and 2 of those stacked together, whatever color you want the shoes and the legs to be. And I wanted her to have red shoes and black tights. So now I've got the base and the legs. The body follows the instructions until you get to the arms. I'm doing a red dress with a lime green stripe. We're out of the gray pieces that let you build on all 4 sides. So this is where we have to get creative. The 2 pieces on the sides have to be flat for the arms to fit. Attach the body to the base and the legs. Stack 2x2s and put 2 corner pieces on the bottom. Attached to the body. This will hold the arms on the sides. Build the arms, add 2 more layers underneath in any color. Attach the arms and build the rest of the body according to the instructions. Looking good so far. Make a perimeter of flat pieces. I made this a necklace, but you could use skin tone also. Finally, the head. Pick out the hairstyle you want to build. Make front, back, and top of the head per the instructions. The sides are where it gets a lot trickier. Find as many of the corner pieces as you can. Build another core with 2x2s at 9 high. Put 2 corner pieces on the bottom and attach to the body. Attach face, back, and top of head. Put these on the inside. And that's what makes it stick out just a little bit, like an elf ear. So this is 8 down, 2 across in any color. There you go. It's just holding on by 2 though, depending on how many of these you can find in your kit. Here's my other side. So there you go. Depending on the colors you use, I think you'll get better results. But it's your puzzle. Put it together the way you want to. That's how you get a third brickhead.